This video is to teach you how to list things in bulk from List Perfectly onto a Shopify store. Now, if you look over here, we have our Shopify store. It's up, okay? I am going to start, and I'll tell you one thing that I noticed that is a problem that continually happens when you do this, and the easy fix for it. So we are signed into, excuse me, our Shopify store, and now we're on our My Listings. I'm going to not check those. I'm going to go over here and look for things specifically that are not on Shopify. I want to find things that are not on Shopify because then I'm not going to have to search and see what's on Shopify and what's not. So these items, none of them are on Shopify. So I'm doing 10 per page, which makes it manageable. I suggest you don't do more than 10 per page. It's going to be a headache. Now I'm going to go here and click Shopify and then copy. Now it's going to open tabs on my system on the upper right hand side. So each of those 10 items is going to open its own tab. So you will click on the first tab on your left, okay, that has the Shopify logo, and this is the item, okay. We're going to take out the vendor. We don't want the vendor, okay, and we're going to put it in the collection of clothing, okay. Save, right? Then we're going to go to the next one. The next of those 10 tabs, we're going to take out Mountain Hardwear because we don't want any of these brands to be included. If it makes you put in a brand, then put in your website name. For us, it would be Poochie's Pack. So again, clothing on that one. And hopefully we'll have the glitch on this so I can show you the glitch. Clothing, I'm just going to go through these. Each one I take off the vendor because if we did it on every piece of clothing we had, there would be thousands of vendors, and we don't want that. So, collection clothing, take out the vendor again, collection clothing. Now, sometimes what I've noticed is it does not, but it is rare, it does not, it'll put the item at $0.00. I had an order once that someone, tried to buy a $0.00 item from the website because List Perfectly and Shopify did not communicate the price and move it over. But I just canceled it. It wasn't a big deal. Obviously, if someone tries to order something for $0.00, they probably know you're going to cancel it. So there we go. Now, all of those are listed, okay? We're going to go over here and make sure they're all linked, okay? When this box is up here, this pop-up box, that means it's linked, okay? Let me go through. I'm going to close each one of these. Okay, here, oh, we didn't save it. Okay, there's one we forgot to save. Okay, so that one should pop up and have, okay, there's the box there. If it doesn't have that box, you're going to, okay, this one, right? There's no box, right? So let me show you what happens. I'm going to copy that. I'm going to go into the products, okay? Now to get to this, you go to products, okay? Let me show you. I'm going to go to collections and then back to products. So products, and it'll show you everything on the website. Well, you're like, how am I going to find this? You just click this search and filter, right? You copy in what you pasted from here, right? From when it, so this is it copying over, but it didn't link. There was a glitch and it didn't link. So what I'm going to do here, you see this? It will say link directly on the item on Shopify when you go to find it. Link, and then the item will pop up. Okay, now it's linked. Everything on the website needs to be linked to Shopify, not only so we don't list multiples on the website where we only have one item, right? Like we list 4 of these shirts and we only have one of them. Not only for that, but also because if you want to click sold on List Perfectly and have it immediately delete the item or archive the item, close the item on the website, you have to make sure it's linked. This one is linked. This one is linked. This one is linked. This one is linked. If it doesn't have the pop-up, that means it did not link. Now we can go to the next page. And remember, I clicked not on Shopify, so none of this is on Shopify. Let's do the next 10. Again, you just click here, right? If you want to do 1 or 2, you can just click them individually. If you want to just do 1, you click this button, but you click all of them. And again, 10 per page. And then you click this. Make sure Shopify is checked, copy, and then again, it will open 10 tabs up on the top. And like I said, you're just going to see, it's making the magic happen. So you're just going to go here again, and you're going to take off the vendor, right? You're going to put it in the clothing collection. You're going to click save. And then it's going to go. The only thing you have to do is, like I said, you have to link them when it doesn't have this pop-up box. That means it did not link. So that's how to cross-post items or cross-list items from List Perfectly to Shopify. Hopefully that helped. That's how we do it on our website. Thanks for watching.